So we are standing now in the biggest slaughtery house in the Baltic States. We are slaughtering turkeys. We are doing them more than 7,000 tons per year. And we have whole chain here. We have a feed factory where we are producing our feeds for birds. We are having our farms where we are growing them. And after that, all the birds are coming here to the slaughtery house and we are producing from them everything. We are making various kinds of small, big breasts, turkey breast. We are making various kinds of sausages and different kinds of products. And what is the most important, I would say, for the client is always to prepare something new, to show him some special things. And we are looking for them every year. And just 2 years ago, we found that MULTIVAC is offering a new product line with whom we can produce special bags, and you can put those bags in the oven. So with those bags in the oven you can cook the bird already inside, and it keeps marinated, it keeps wet, and it stays very good. So just 2 hours and you have it on the table, voila.